Hey everyone! Today we are going to discuss some of the business ideas you should start immediately and can earn more money. So let's start our video. Number 1. Coffee shop or cafe. Number 2. Bakery. Number 3. Ice cream parlor. Number 4. Juice bar. Number 6. Popcorn or snack shop. Number 7. Gourmet burger joint. Number 8. Gym or fitness studio. Number 9. Yoga or Pilates studio. Number 10. Massage therapy clinics. Number 11. Health food store. Number 12. Float therapy center. Number 13. Gift shop or boutique. Number 14. Bookshop. Number 15. Toy store. Number 16. Flower shop. Number 17. Jewelry store. Number 18. Online boutique. Number 19. Mobile phone and accessories store. Number 20. Electronics repair. Number 21. Second-hand furniture store. Number 22. Party supply store. Number 23. Photography or videography business. Number 24. Copywriting or content writing. Number 25. Handmade soap. Number 26. Skincare products business. Number 27. Personal chef services. Number 28. Property management services. Number 29. Travel agency. Number 30. Car rental business. Number 31. Rental furniture and decor for events. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And follow our Facebook page, Middle Earth News, for more videos and information.